Hi everybody, welcome back to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So we're just doing a little bit of follow-up. Last week I did a home dermaplaning kit on the left side of Allie's face, and then on the right I did the professional. So I was just evening her up today and doing a hydrofacial for her as well. And when I started dermaplaning the left side, I started noticing that there was quite a bit of dead skin cells and hair coming up. So I just wanted to demonstrate that. Now I'm going to also, I've already dermaplaned her neck, which is why it's a little pink, but I'm going to demonstrate on the other side that had the professional dermaplaning not even a week ago, and just show you the difference. Let me get my glasses on here. So Allie, turn to your left for me. All right, so this is the side I dermaplaned professionally. So you can see we're always producing dead skin cells, so we're getting a little bit up from it. You got that, Heidi? And then I'm just going to have you go back in. So do you see the difference? So again, home dermaplaning is not the same as professional dermaplaning. So that is our verdict after this, and you've seen for yourself. So thank you again for watching.